Electronics and Communication Engineering is popularly shortened as ECE. ECE rightfully rules the industries from mobile phone, wristwatch to washing machine, refrigerator, ship, train, and defense equipments. They all are electronic and communalist and has definitely revolutionized the way we communicate and maintain our lifestyle. So I invite you to exciting field of study to choose ECE and be a proud of ECE student. Peculiarity of the ECE branch is that, in combination with the other field, is magical, which is, in my opinion, greatly enhance the value of that field. ECE combined with the computer science and IT give rise to the power supercomputers, cell phones, home automation systems, and IoT. ECE combined with mechanical engineering result to industrial robots which replace human labor and increase efficiency and productivity of the organization. Similarly, ECE with the help of computer-aided design can help civil engineering, architecture and constructions. ECE combined with medical field give world-class sophisticated medical tool, instrumentation and machine for carrying out X-ray, MRI scanning operations with better accuracy and precision. Aerospace and ECE combination is challenging field in space exploration, developing aircraft, spacecraft, satellite and their communication systems. So after a major in ECE, one can easily migrate to other field of one's passion and can work wonders in one's career. ECE subject that offer flexibility. Students go crazy for ECE as it is an evergreen field because there is a continued development of its component that have practical use in our day-to-day life.
Hi folks, welcome to the world of electronics. We saw a unique concept called Special Interest Groups SIGs in Electronics and Communication Department at IST Indore, introduced by our Honorable DG Sir. SIG offers a customized skill enhancement value added course for us along with international and national certification through various advanced labs like IoT, robotics, etc. We have noted that EC department do not believe only on theoretical concept but apply what we have learned through projects right from the first year.
I am Anjali Sharma, currently in EC second year, sharing my first year experience. I learned a lot through our SIGs like PCB design, robotics, fabrication, etc. Our institute focuses more on skill-based training through SIGs, workshop and hands-on training throughout the semester. And also at the end of each semester, there is a provision to provide on-campus internship focuses on project-based learning. I was fortunate enough to be the witness of the inauguration ceremony of our new technical club, that is our drone club. Even during this tough time of pandemic, we learned a lot from some interesting online training on programming for games, PCB design, fabrication, robotics and circuit simulation.
I am Hasan Lodhi, head coordinator of Drone Club. I am happy to say that we have contributed in this pandemic through our drones to supply medicines house to house and also got letter of appreciation from Indian Flying Labs. I am also happy to say that within 1 year of time frame, our drone club received grant of 1 lakhs from AICTE. We always participated in drone competition at IITs and in last 1 year won 2 prizes also. So at IST we can learn, fly and design our own drones.
Hello guys, Jaiban Singh Gaur here. Currently I am a third year student of EC department. IIST has given us a lot of technical exposure which is helpful for us to work in the industry of our core branch as well as in multidisciplinary fields. I was very much motivated by the SIGs of our institute. I worked under the guidance of my faculties and trainers, and now I can proudly say that I am not only a techno-friendly person but a consumer product developer as well. I solved many electronic circuit related problems and made many PCB projects for my clients while working as a freelancer. The PCB designing and fabrication SIG of our institute give us a complete knowledge of the designing and fabrication process of the PCB through hands-on practices on small but some really helpful projects. A similar project-based learning approach is followed by the robotic SIG of our institute, which really gonna help me in my placements.
I, Akshay Tiwari, head coordinator of Robotics Club. Our robotics lab is associated with eYantra IIT Bombay, and we are happy to inform you that we are the first in Indore associated with eYantra. We participate in various robotics competition and our design AgriDrone has won prize in robotics competition organized by eIntra IIT Bombay.
I am Lokesh Palak, a final year undergraduate student of Electronics and Communication branch. Want to share my learning experience of 4 years at Indore Institute of Science and Technology. I feel lucky to be an electronics and communication engineer because it opens various doors for me. Being an EC engineer, I can work in both hardware as well as software engineering field. I can also switch into the information technology with very fewer efforts. Well, at IST, under the various SIGs and technical clubs, we learned a lot and made our resume better to be chosen by hiring teams. I got placed in core company VVDN due to my strong technical skills which I developed during my 4 years of academics. In the on-campus internship trainings and workshops, we build our programming logics to work with robots and devices which are connected to internet, that is called IoT. Because of these trainings we received under various SIG groups like IoT SIG, Robotics SIG, Design and Fabrication SIG, Mechatronics SIG, it would not have been possible without these technical skills to get placed. Now I am enough confident to work in any of the core and multidisciplinary field. Thanks to the Honorable DG Sir to introduce this unique concept of SIG.
In the end, I conclude with that our campus is near in 50 acres and easy to maintain social distancing. And I proudly say our campus is green campus, safe campus and corona free campus. Thank you.